Understanding liàng, meaning and components. The Chinese character, liàng, is a fascinating study in the composition of meaning. It carries the sense of to understand, to forgive, or to show empathy. This depth of meaning is built upon two key components, each contributing its own layer of significance. The left component, yan, is what we call a radical in Chinese characters. Radicals often provide a clue about the character's general meaning. In this case, yan represents words or speech, hinting at the communicative aspect of understanding and forgiveness. On the right, we have the character liàng. Liàng carries meanings like good, kind, or virtuous. This element infuses liàng with a sense of positive intention and benevolence, crucial aspects of understanding and forgiveness. By understanding how these two components interact, we unlock a deeper appreciation for the meaning of liàng. It's not just about comprehending something intellectually, it's about extending kindness and empathy in the process. Deconstructing the radical yan. The radical yan is a simplified form of the character yan, meaning words or speech. Its two simple strokes are deceptively powerful, representing the foundation of communication. To write yan, start with a short, slightly diagonal stroke downwards. This is stroke 1. Imagine you are beginning to whisper a secret, letting the stroke flow effortlessly from your brush. Next, add a slightly curved horizontal stroke beneath the first. This is stroke 2. Picture it as a gentle wave of sound, emanating from your mouth as you speak. These two seemingly simple strokes, when combined, encapsulate the essence of spoken language, reminding us of the power of words in fostering understanding and seeking forgiveness. Mastering the strokes of liàng, with its 7 strokes, might appear more complex than yan, but fear not. By breaking down each stroke, we can master this character with ease. Begin with a horizontal stroke at the top, stroke 1. Let it be bold and confident like the roof of a virtuous home. Next, draw a vertical stroke down from the center of the first stroke, extending slightly below it. This is stroke 2, representing the strong pillar supporting the house of kindness. Now, for stroke 3, add a short horizontal stroke slightly below the first, like a window offering a glimpse into a kind heart. Stroke 4 is a vertical stroke down from the right end of the third stroke, mirroring the second stroke and adding balance to our structure. Stroke 5 is a shorter vertical stroke, drawn to the right of the fourth and slightly below the third. This, along with the 6th stroke, a left slanting stroke connecting the top and bottom horizontal lines, forms the wall of our virtuous home. Finally, add a dot, stroke 7, within the bottom section, representing a seed of goodness planted within. Each stroke in liàng contributes to its overall meaning of good or virtuous, qualities essential for true understanding and forgiveness. Section 4. Bringing it together. Writing liàng. Now that we've mastered the individual components, let's unite them to form the character liàng. Begin by writing the yan radical, remembering the gentle downward stroke followed by the soft horizontal stroke. With this foundation of communication laid, we move on to liàng. Add the horizontal stroke, the strong roof of our virtuous home, above and to the right of yan. Follow with the vertical stroke, the sturdy pillar, ensuring it extends slightly below the first stroke. Now add the shorter horizontal stroke, the window to kindness, followed by its mirroring vertical stroke. Next comes the shorter vertical stroke and the left slanting stroke, forming the wall that encloses the heart of virtue. Finally, place the dot, the seed of goodness, within the bottom section. As you write liàng, visualize the process of understanding and forgiveness. Feel the power of words, the strength of kindness, and the potential for empathy to bridge any divide. Section 5. The importance of liàng. Mastering the character liàng is not just about memorizing strokes, it's about embracing the values it represents. In a world often driven by misunderstanding and conflict, the ability to understand, forgive, and empathize is more crucial than ever. By practicing writing liàng, we internalize these virtues, reminding ourselves of the importance of compassionate communication and understanding. Each stroke we make strengthens our resolve to approach challenges with empathy and seek resolution through kindness. So keep practicing, and let the beauty and meaning of liàng inspire you to approach life's complexities with a spirit of understanding and forgiveness.